Radmin VPN is a solid choice for a VPN, but there are some things you should know before deciding whether it's the right one for you. Compared to some bigger players in the market like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, Radmin has a few unique features, but there are some trade-offs. Let's jump into 12 things you need to know before buying. The first thing to consider is that Radmin VPN is totally free. That's right, no cost at all, which makes it stand out against the paid services like NordVPN or CyberGhost. If you're on a budget and just need a basic VPN, Radmin could be your go-to. But keep in mind, with free services, you usually sacrifice some premium features. Next thing is its focus. Radmin VPN is specifically designed for gaming. If you're looking to play games online with friends in different locations, this could be a great option. It's optimized for low latency connections, which is a huge plus compared to VPNs like ExpressVPN that are more generalized. The third thing is its security protocols. Radmin VPN offers basic encryption, which is fine for casual browsing or gaming. But if you're looking for top-tier security for sensitive data, there are better options. Paid services like NordVPN or CyberGhost offer stronger, more advanced encryption methods. The fourth thing is its ease of use. Radmin VPN is user-friendly, especially for beginners. Setting it up takes just a few clicks, and you don't need any technical knowledge, unlike more complex VPNs that might overwhelm you. But if you're after features like kill switches, split tunneling, or advanced settings, Radmin doesn't have them. Fifth, Radmin VPN offers a peer-to-peer network, which means it's more of a direct connection between users than a traditional VPN network. While this is great for some, it might not provide the same level of anonymity and protection as VPNs that route your traffic through their own servers. The sixth thing to know is about its server network. Radmin VPN has a smaller network compared to industry giants like ExpressVPN, which means fewer location options for you. This may be fine if you're just using it for gaming, but it could limit your options for bypassing geoblocks or accessing content from various regions. The seventh thing is its performance. Radmin VPN is generally quite fast, especially for local connections. However, as with any VPN, speed can drop depending on distance and server load. It's definitely fast enough for gaming, but might not hold up for streaming or heavy-duty tasks like downloading large files. Next, if you're looking for customer support, Radmin VPN has decent resources, but it doesn't compare to premium services that offer 24/7 live chat. Radmin's support is mostly via email or forums, so if you run into issues, it might take longer to get help. The ninth thing is its compatibility. Radmin VPN works on Windows, which is great for most users, but it's not available on Mac, Linux, or mobile devices. If you need cross-platform support, this could be a major drawback, unlike NordVPN or ExpressVPN, which offer apps for nearly every device. The 10th thing is the lack of extras. While Radmin VPN is simple and functional, it doesn't offer the bells and whistles that come with paid VPNs, like ad blocking, dedicated IPs, or streaming capabilities. If these features are important to you, you might want to look elsewhere. The 11th thing to consider is its no-log policy. Radmin VPN doesn't log any user data, which is always a plus when choosing a VPN. However, its privacy policy is less transparent than some premium services. If privacy is your number one concern, make sure to read the fine print on Radmin's website. Lastly, the 12th thing is its reliability. While Radmin VPN is reliable for gaming, it might not offer the same consistent speeds or access to global content as more established VPN services. If you need a VPN for daily internet use, browsing, or streaming, it might not be the most suitable long-term solution. In conclusion, Radmin VPN is a good option if you're looking for a free, easy-to-use VPN for gaming. But if you want a more robust, secure, and feature-packed service, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.